Hello and good morning. Today is the 20th of September 2021, Monday morning here in Germany. My name is Maurice Rothwell, international trading coach here at Traders Club 24 in Hamburg. And we are about to start our morning opening trade in the DAX. So I'm just going to change over my screen here. As you can see, we're on the MetaTrader 4 platform as usual. And here in the top right-hand corner, we have our SwissBox trading tool. So SwissBox trading tool is very simple. In the chart, we also have our purple lines here, which are called big numbers, and a big orange box. And this is our morning's open range for today. If I go back down to Friday here, you can see that Friday's open range was a different size, and the Thursday before was a different size again. These orange boxes are calculated brand new every day, depending on the range of the morning. And the way that we're going to trade this is by using our SwissBox. So if I go to my SwissBox and I click box lines on, what you're going to see is two lines appear in the chart, a red line and a green line. So these two lines represent two pending orders, the green one being a buy stop and the red one being a sell stop. And there's 12.5 points in between, and this is our trap range, the box size, which can be edited here in the SwissBox itself. Usually what we can do, we can take a big number trade. If this orange box is around the same size as our box size, then we can just overlap that. However, this morning what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a trade which we call a C box, or as we come up towards this big number, we can take this too. And then I simply just press entry on. And it's a simple case of us now waiting for the market to fall into this trap range. And as soon as it falls into this trap range, what we're going to see is we're going to see two pending orders that are created at each side, one at the red line and one at the green line. As you see here, the market now just went past our red line, triggering the first trade, which is here, and the blue line appears directly into the chart. Now, the blue line is our take profit. It's pre-calculated due to our risk and target profit settings in the box. So the take profit is set at 0.076% of my account balance, which is going to be my take profit for this opening trade. Also, as soon as that first pending order is triggered, what we're going to see is the first pending order will be cancelled and a new buy stop pending order will be placed upon the green line. The reason for this is as the market goes on, we don't know exactly which direction the market is going to go. We do know that it will go in a direction at the opening. However, this is the direction in which it will go is unknown. So with the SwissBox, we're able to trade both directions, enabling us to just catch the market in. Oh, we're riding the wave of the market in, to make it bluntly. So depending on which way the market goes will depend on which direction we're trading the markets. And then as soon as we hit the take profit, the trades are closed, and that is us out with a small profit. Then you have to recognize here we're not here making huge profit trades. We're making a lot of consistently profitable trades, which over time will compound into a slow and steady profit. So as we come out again, so we've got one trade here. As we can see in the SwissBox also, it says one dot trade, and we have a red arrow pointing down, telling us that this is our first trade and we're currently in a short position. Now, if the market does go up past our green line, what's going to happen? It's just going to trigger the buy stop, and then the blue line here is going to jump from the bottom towards the top. And we can also we can also move this take profit further away if we wish to. So that's not the issue. We can extend that take profit, of course. However, for today's opening trade, which we'll have in about 1 minute, we should get straight in and straight out of this first box trade of the day. Usually we're out within the first minute. However, sometimes depending on the market, we can see longer term trades on there as well. So already getting some pre-opening volatility here. And you can even just move this down, usually we would not extend a take profit on an opening trade or on the first trade in the SwissBox. As we go through time, we can actually open and close multiple trades. And of course, once we get into the third, fourth, and fifth trades, extending that take profit really does make the difference between a 0.076% trade and a possible 0.5% trade. So here we've got the extension. We can see that the market's now continuing to drop down. We can also close this manually just here with the button, like so, and that is us out of the trade, closed, and in with a small profit. We do have some other trades here which are currently running from this morning on the FTSE and on the Dow Jones. It seems that we're about to trigger a trade or so. However, what we can do now is I'm going to set up some other trades for the rest of the morning, but for now, that will be it from me. That is our morning opening trade on the DAX. I hope you guys enjoyed it. First trade closed, 0.11% locked in for the day. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you want to test out tools for yourself, please visit the website, www.TradersClub24.com. Sign up with your email address, name, and number, and someone will be in contact with you shortly after, okay? So thank you very much, and until tomorrow.